Hello dudes and dudettes, it's Jay with After the Wear, Beware. Today we got some good stuff. We're going to be unboxing Nigel Sylvester's Air Jordan 1 collaboration. Cool, so super excited about these. I'm actually unboxing these. I know I should have left the box, cut it open, show you guys blah 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 this and that, but I was too excited because I just really wanted a pair. Anyways, I actually won a raffle from Sneakers and Stuff. So shout out to Sneakers and Stuff. Thank you so much. But anyways, so with, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So Nigel Sylvester, pro BMX bike rider, collaborated with Jordan brand to make and establish Jordan Biking Company, established 2017. So what we have here is the nice off-white, which are regular Nike box, but the only difference is it's not one with the lid. This one's like a flip. So, ooh, hee hee ha ha, hee hee ha ha. Just kidding. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Anyways, check this out. So we have our Jordan 1s, and this is so nice. Basically, Nigel Sylvester's collaboration kind of shows so much detail with previous shoes that he's worn, and to kind of depict like the wear and tear from when he's biking. I guess the background story with Nigel is that he likes to wear Jordan 1's favorite shoe when he's biking. So with this collaboration, they actually show so much detail, which I'm totally loving this right here. What you'll see is that on the lateral side, that you don't have the traditional sewn-on Nike check, and then you see all the scuff marks that are actually made just to show the detail of him. When you get to the lateral side, excuse me, the medial side, you'll see a reflective patched on or sewn on Nike check, which is pretty cool. Comes with black and red laces along with your regular white laces, and inside you'll see Jordan brand company established 2017. So yeah, these are pretty dope. What I also like about the sole is that it shows kind of like this almost asphalt marble looking sole. The sole's like burgundy, but then you have these white little marble, as if like you're almost like walking in like a construction zone, and then you look at the bottom of your sole, which is pretty cool. Also, what I've seen is this small Nike check right there. From what I learned is the small Nike check is more of a classic check that you would see on like Air Maxes like back in the day. So, and again, I'm gonna try and keep this short for you guys. Cool, all this detail, very nice. So the other shoe, that's the left. With the right, kind of get the same thing. You get the details, the scuffs, boom, 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 same sole. Again, medial side, you get the check, which is reflective. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have any comments, don't forget to hit the like button, also the subscribe button, and then lastly, comment which pair of laces would you wear with these. Do you have your traditional white ones, your red ones, or your black ones? So I was thinking about black, but I mean, these are all great options. Shout out to Nigel for establishing with Jordan brand the very first the Jordan Biking Company. So shout out to him. And then I am Jay. I am out. After the wear, beware.